Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And it's hot, it's uncomfortable, but for some listed companies, the heatwave is proving rather more welcome. Take next, the FTSE 100 retailer has raised its profit forecast for the third time this year after warm weather helped drive summer demand. Full price sales jumped 9.2% in its latest quarter, and Next now expects pre-tax profit of around £1.24 billion. Its shares jumped sharply on that update. And it isn't just fashion. Tesco has reported a huge surge in demand for summer essentials, with ice cube sales tripling, sunscreen sales almost sixfold, and electric fan sales more than 30 times higher during the heat wave. So for investors, the weather is creating some interesting short-term winners, although it's important to distinguish a genuine earnings improvement from a temporary boost. And now to Amaroq, which is attracting attention from gold investors. The Greenland-focused miner has begun its 2026 resource development program at the Nanoq Gold Project, with systematic drilling of the central zone designed to build the geological information needed for a maiden mineral resource estimate. The shares have appreciated by roughly 40% over the past 12 months, according to data from lse.co.uk. Now, that comes as gold itself hits a more than 2-month high, briefly reaching around $4,435 an ounce, as investors reassess interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical risk. And finally, one valuation story worth watching. Cambridge Aerospace, the British anti-drone defence technology company, has reportedly raised $300 million at a post-money valuation of around $3.4 billion. The remarkable part, the valuation of this interceptor invention business was around $400 million only a year earlier. For investors, that is quite a re-rating and a reminder of just how much capital markets are prepared to pay for technology addressing the rapidly growing drone defense market. Well, I hope you're well. Take care. Keep cool. I'll be back same time next week.